Welcome. In front of me is a Revvl 6 from T-Mobile, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notification shade right here, straight from the top, extend it, and locate the toggle for the portable hotspot. So for me, it looks to be nowhere. Oh, let's turn off airplane mode. Oh, that still didn't really show it. So it looks like it might be turned off by default. So let's click this little pencil icon and hopefully we can find it somewhere. And there we go, hotspot. So I'm gonna grab it, drag it over, drop it. And when I go back now, I can now find it on one of the pages, which for me, I did drop it on the second page. So from here, hold the toggle. This will navigate you to the settings and you can then select Wi-Fi hotspot. And I recommend starting off with the hotspot password. The reason for this is the phone usually generates some random password for it. And as you can see, this is just absolutely abhorrent. So I recommend completely removing it and setting up your own. So it will need to have at least 8 characters in length, letters, numbers, it doesn't really matter. There we go. And from there we can save it. And that's really the only thing that I would recommend changing. You can also change the hotspot name. So as you can see, it's called right here T-phone. It's kind of how the phone is called, I guess, in Europe. So you can change it if you want to. If you don't, just keep it as it is. And for some reason the screen just started recording. Okay, whatever. But yeah, you can change it if you want to, or you can keep it as it is. It will only be displayed in a Wi-Fi list, so you just need to find it in there, and as long as you remember just the name once you see it, that's great. Anyway, from here, once you set it up, you can close this and you don't have to come back here ever again. And when you want to use your hotspot, simply find the toggle, tap on it. Wi-Fi is turned off when whatever. Okay, so it does turn off Wi-Fi apparently. Oh no, never mind, it doesn't. Okay, so as you can see, it's right now running, so technically I should be able to connect to it. Let's just quickly see. I'm trying to find it right here. And it should show up once it actually shows up any kind of network. Come on. Search for any kind of network would be nice. Oh, there we go. Oh, and as you can see, there it is. So I could now connect to it using the password that I have set up. So that's how you would set it up and enable it. And once you're done with it, I do recommend turning it off because it does consume more battery. So to do so, simply press on the toggle once more and this will turn it off. Now there might also be a setting in the settings right here to, yep, there we go, turn off hotspot automatically, which it's set to be 10 minutes by default. So when the hotspot is not being used for 10 minutes, the phone automatically turns it off. You can increase this, decrease this, but I wouldn't recommend turning it off. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.